When you're dealing with sudden leaks, flooding, or no hot water, you need emergency plumbing Salt Lake City homeowners can count on, day or night. Our experienced team of emergency plumbers in Salt Lake City is available 24/7 to handle everything from pipe bursts to water heater breakdowns. And we arrive fast, work efficiently, and always keep you informed. If you're facing a burst pipe, you're probably wondering about the broken water pipe repair cost in Salt Lake City. We offer clear, upfront pricing so you know what to expect before any work begins. No surprises, just honest service. Having trouble with your hot water? We've got you covered. We'll assess the issue and give you a straightforward estimate for the water heater repair cost in Salt Lake City. Now, we understand that unexpected plumbing issues are stressful enough without financial guesswork. That's why we keep emergency plumber costs in Salt Lake City competitive, transparent, and fair. So when a plumbing crisis hits, don't wait. Turn to the experts in emergency plumbing Salt Lake City relies on. Fast response, honest pricing, and peace of mind are just a call away. When you need emergency plumbing in Salt Lake City, trust the experts who answer fast and work efficiently. Call 385-300-1099 or visit emergencyplumbingsaltlakeCity.com now.